Let's go ahead and save this role. I'm going to click the Save Permissions button. And now we need to assign the role to the user for Joey. Let's go ahead and go back to the People Administration page. I'm going to click on People here. And I'm going to click on the Edit link next to the Joey account. Now notice under Roles here we don't have anything listed, but we should have Guide. So let's go ahead and click on Edit. And then let's scroll down to where we see the list of roles here. And I'm going to go ahead and check Guide. Then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Okay, now next to Joey we have our role guide. So at this point, it would be good to test what Joey's experience would be like if he went to the site, logged in, and tried to add a tour. Would everything work smoothly? Well, in order to test that out, we need a way to use Joey's account. One method would be logging out of our browser and logging in as Joey, checking things out, and then logging back in as an administrator. Or we could use a separate browser and log in as Joey's account. But what happens if down the road Joey changes his password and we no longer are able to log in under his account? Well, we have a couple of options to deal with that. Well, first of all, we could create a dummy account that has the guide role and use that to test. Or we could use a module called Masquerade, which will allow us to masquerade or pretend to be another user as we work through the site. And doing that can be a little bit more useful than having a test account, because sometimes the test accounts don't have the right kind of data or history with it in order to experience what it's like to be a real user.